this question here, let's give it a try. So pause the video, copy down the picture, and write down all the information that you can see. Press play when you're ready. So here we have a circle. Center O is shown below. In the circle, PB is the diameter, so going through the center. CR is tangent to the circle at point P. Okay, so we know that P is the tangent point and CR, this line here, is a tangent. And angle BCP is 48 degrees. So you can see it's at C, so it's always that middle letter that tells us the angle. Get the pen. All right, so right there. And we want to calculate the size of angle EPR. So P has a lot of angles there, so let's look. E, we start at E, we go down to P, and we want to go to R. So this is the angle that we're looking for. Now, when we're working this out, well, what do we see? So we saw a tangent, but we do see a triangle, and the question is, what type of triangle is this? So here, it's not an isosceles because my radii are right here, and these lines that make the triangle are not the same, they're not equal, but it is an angle in a semicircle, so we know that this angle here is 90 degrees. Now that we know that's 90 degrees, we can find the other side. So we can do 180 minus 90 degrees, which is 90 degrees. So again, we know that this here, they're both 90 degrees. Now that I have this, I have a right angle triangle. And in this right angle triangle, I have 2 out of the 3 angles. So in order to get this third angle, I'm going to have to add up 90 and 48 and subtract it from 180. So it's going to be 180 minus 48 plus 90. Now when I do that, so we're going to go 180, 48 plus 90, and I'm going to get 42. So this angle that I've just worked out in this right angle triangle is 42 degrees. And I need the red angle, so in order to get that red angle, well, we notice that it's a straight line. So here, please make a straight line. So to get this angle in red, I'm going to have to do 180 minus 42. And when I do that, I'm going to get 138. So I get 138 degrees, and that is my angle EPR, 138.